How to write 1 over 4 as a decimal? Just convert the denominator, try to convert the denominator in the power of 10. Power of 10 means 10, then 100, right? 1000. So if you multiply here by 25 by both numerator and denominator, then you will get 25 over 100. 100 is a power of 10. Now, since we have gotten a number which is power of 10, just count the number of 0, 2 zeros. So decimal point will move 2 digit, 2 digit from right to left. That is here 1 2. That is 0.25 is your answer. 1 digit, 2 digit.